Assalamu alaikum. Here on stage of Ali English House Academy, we have two participants. So we are doing an activity. The name of this activity is called as Tom, Dick or Harry. Okay, you might have heard about this phrase, right? Tom, Dick or Harry means you have to find out the name. So we have a person who will imagine a personality and no, you will imagine a personality and he is the interviewer or the questioner. He will ask some questions and the person, he can just answer yes or no. Okay, through that he will find out who is that person is. Through this we'll find out who is that person. So let's get started. So did you think of a personality, sir? You already thought. Okay, Muhammad Ali sir, he has already thought about a person, and we have Mr. Bilal, correct? He will ask the questions. Yes, over to Bilal.
Is it a male or female?
Male.
Male. He is a native Indian.
No.
No.
Native is
उतर yes no के अलावा
He is a Muslim. He is from Africa. He is a politician,
no.
freedom fighter.
No.
He is a Maulana or Mufti.
No.
only yes or
He is a president.
No.
He is from Pakistan. From Saudi. He is a prophet or Rasul, Nabi, anything.
Rasul maybe no.
Next someone else will come to this chair. You can go and sit. Okay? Yeah. You come. You have to start from the beginning. Okay? Yes, sit here.
Assalamu alaikum. Is he male?
Male. Yes.
Eh, Ali Sahaba, Khalifa,
Yes.
Hazrat Abu Bakr.
Yes.
So he used some mind based on the personality. He is from say Jamaat, so he may have some role model. Either Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu or Umar radiallahu anhu.
First Khulafa Rashidin.
Okay.
Very nice my mind.
Okay. MashaAllah. Very good. So let's give a big round of applause to all people. Okay. So you can imagine one more person, sir.
Okay.
So we'll have one more person to question. No, your brother. Yes, yourself. Please come. Next for this exercise, the person to imagine this is Noor Fatima madam, and who will question is she will question. Yeah. Okay, sit. So another person you can imagine, sir. Oh, yes.
you ask the question.
Is he male or female?
Male.
He is Muslim.
Yeah. Yes.
He is from Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
He is prophet,
No.
king. Is he Mufti, Maulana? Nothing.
Ask question. You keep asking question, then you. I like what.
He is alive.
I like.
Alive, Zinda hai.
No.
He is dead. Nabi,
No.
Awliya,
No.
Sahaba, was he Khalifa, Kubera, खत्म है अली रजी अल्लाह अन्हु
Yes. Four Khulafa Rashidin, the first had Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala. Second Khulafa Rashidin had Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala. Third Khulafa Rashidin Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala. Fourth Khulafa Rashidin had Ali radiyallahu ta'ala. Four Khulafa Rashidin there. First had Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala. Second Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala. Third Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala. Fourth Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala.
MashaAllah. Let's give a big round of applause to Ali sir for giving more and more knowledge. So every time when I invite Ali sir, he is sharing the knowledge also, not just English, right? MashaAllah.